Why is it so dark in here?
Oh, great. My light bulbs are burned out.
I guess I get to try something new. Let's see what we're gonna replace these bulbs with.
I only have just 3 regular bulbs, but I didn't want to put one of those like strip lights. So I was thinking about just brightening up the areas where I have, and I bought a 2-pack, so I'll just put a regular bulb back in there and then put one on each end and see what it's like. I found some new bulbs that look like this, and they're supposed to be really bright, so we'll see how they work. I've seen these. I've been very curious if they're any good or not. Kind of cool looking. They've got lights on the bottom, lights all around. Of course, you decide how you want it. I'm just gonna do mine flat all the way around, like this. That way it just, although wait a second, I could actually aim these up a little bit, and that would give me more area. That might actually look kind of cool. Just spread the light out a little bit. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Get my safety shoes on. If you don't have one of these little giants, I got the Revolution. This has been the best thing I've ever had. It's so awesome. This will just unscrew. That is weird. Never seen that before. But we'll go with it. I was standing right here with leaning up against this. What I might do is just to give myself a little bit more, if I raise this up a little bit, give myself a little bit more leaning room. So now I can lean on the ladder, have much better stability. Are we going in? Oh yeah, okay, it's tight. Good. All right, it's in there. And put this back, just pop these. This will go like that. Let's see how we did. Ah, great. Put the ladder away too soon. Okay, after a little troubleshooting, I found that little ceramic piece just had to screw in and then it came on. So you can definitely see a difference between the LED and the incandescent, standard incandescent. It's almost like, is that yellow one even worth having, or should I just undo that? Okay, I just swapped it out with another LED, but I think it definitely gets the job done. So I spent like 30 bucks on these, or somewhere between 20 and 30 for 2. So like $15 a light, $10 to $15 a light. It's pretty good for how bright they are. I mean, I only got 3 sockets, so if I find a good deal, I'll replace that third one. But other than that, like I'd recommend these. They're pretty nice. Let me know if you've tried anything better than this in the comments. I know there's a whole bunch of different varieties of the same thing, so I'd be interested to see if there's anything comparable for cheaper. Until next time.